In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Cash App to MoneyLion. This process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to make sure you follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth connection between the two platforms. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your MoneyLion homepage. If you're not already familiar with MoneyLion, it's a personal finance app that offers a variety of services, including credit building tools and investment accounts. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic begins. In the search bar, simply type the word link. This keyword will allow you to access the features related to linking accounts. It's a neat little shortcut that saves you time and helps you navigate directly to the right section without having to dig through multiple menus. Once you've entered link into the search bar, you'll see a list of options. What you're looking for is the linked account management feature. Click on this and it will take you to the next step in the process. Now, this is where linking your Cash App comes into play. The linked account management section is designed to help you manage all your connected financial accounts in one place. This is not only convenient, but also ensures that your financial information is organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. After selecting linked account management, you'll follow the on-screen instructions to add your Cash App. Make sure you have your Cash App login information handy, as you'll need it to authorize the connection. If you run into any issues, double-check that your login credentials are correct and ensure that both apps are up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause connectivity issues. And that's it! By completing these steps, you've successfully linked your Cash App to MoneyLion. This integration allows you to manage your finances more efficiently, giving you a clearer view of your money across both platforms. It's always a good idea to regularly review your linked accounts and ensure that they are all functioning correctly. If you ever decide to unlink your Cash App from MoneyLion, you can return to the linked account management section and follow the prompts to remove the connection. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel confident in linking your Cash App with MoneyLion. By integrating these two platforms, you're taking a proactive step towards better financial management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to MoneyLion's customer support, as they're usually very helpful and responsive. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!